the drummer get wicked. Hear the drummer get wicked. Hear the drummer get wicked. Wicked, 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 wicked. Hear the drummer get wicked.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Poor Man's Kitchen. We're here today looking for a hottie breakfast without the money. When you're living under the poverty line like me, and you're actually poor, like I'm not joking, we are not going to have a pancake mix out of a pancake box. We're going to do it from scratch, okay, from ground zero. So what do we need? We need flour. Alright, this is baking powder, and this stuff, it's old, but it keeps, so I'm going to use that. I got the salt. You got to have salt too, man. I got from Central Massachusetts, Johnny Appleseed Country. I got the McClure's. This is McClure's maple syrup. Bomb. Delicious. And of course, sugar, salt, and then milk from Thatcher Farm. That's out there in Milton, Mass. Not too far from Boston, just like a little outskirt village town of Boston, very old town. But anyway, these are the blueberries, so we're gonna have blueberry pancakes. So let's get started. Don't forget to add to the mix eggs. You need a couple of eggs too.
Say you love me, it doesn't matter, it goes into my head as just chit chatter. You may think it's egotistical or just very free, but what you say, I take none of it seriously. And even if I did, I wouldn't tell you so. I'd let you pretend to read me, and then you'd know. Cause I hate when one attempts to analyze. In fact, I despise those who even try to look into my eyes to see what I am thinking. That dream is over, your yacht is sinking. I tell all of you, like I told all of them, what you say to me is just paper thin. Word.
When you're whisking up your batter, you don't want any bubbles in there. You want no lumps. You want it nice and smooth and like liquidy, but not too watery, you know. I thought, why not add a banana to the blueberry? Make it taste better.
It just doesn't, it wasn't meant to be, you know, it just wasn't. So I treat all of you like I treat all of them, and what you say to me is still paper thin. In one ear and right out the other, herders mumble jumble. Lover, I don't pay attention, I don't concentrate. You ain't got the bait that it takes to hook this. Sucker, you missed. I put feelings inside. I know
one thing I like about my pancakes is I like to have the butter and the maple syrup heated, so it's nice and warm when I put it on. You know, I hate it when you have cold butter like this, like rock hot. You know, this is butter. So I have a cauldron right here, and I'm gonna put the butter and the syrup, and then I might throw a couple blueberries in it too, and I'll have that on the burner right over here.
Kiss is so incomplete, and then maybe I let you play with my feet. You can suck the big toe and play with the middle. It's so simple.
You know anything about making pancakes? Your first pancake is always a dud. So make it small, make it quick. Make sure the fire is just like low, medium, and then once you see that this cauldron is starting to get hot, just turn the fire off and let the butter just melt in there and just let it chill, man. It's no problem. It's cast iron. It's gonna stay hot. So. You see when it bubbles up, when it starts to bubble up like this, that's when you flip it. It's easy. So I'm gonna do a bunch of these, and then I'll take the syrup and the butter and just put it on there and make a nice stack. She's gonna love it. My grandma's gonna love it.
That dream is over, your yacht is sinking. know, it just wasn't. So I said, hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Sam. Don't you come back no more.